helps with digestion. Turmeric milk may also help with digestion. Turmeric has been shown to increase the production of bile, which helps to digest fat. Additionally, turmeric has been shown to help reduce symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, a common digestive disorder. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology found that curcumin in turmeric reduced symptoms of IBS in patients. 5. Promotes heart health. Lastly, turmeric milk may also help promote heart health. Curcumin in turmeric has been shown to improve blood vessel function and reduce the risk of heart disease. A study published in the American Journal of Cardiology found that curcumin improved the function of the endothelium, the lining of blood vessels, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease. In conclusion, turmeric milk is a natural and healthy beverage that offers a variety of potential health benefits. Its main ingredient, curcumin, has been shown to have anti-inflammatory, immune boosting, brain protecting, digestion aiding, and heart health